YouTube, this is Dara from hzscribe, and I am here today to do another Bible sketch notes, and this time we are moving into the book of Numbers. So I'm going to do my first overview of the book, like I do with all the other books. I always do like an overview of a particular book, and then I will do some related to the content in the book. So let's get rolling. Trying to see something. Okay. I'm going to put you on fast forward and you can see the process. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back and I am finished. I think I'm going to leave it at this. And this is Numbers. That's the fourth book. The keyword is wondering. The verses are 14, 22 to 23, and 20 and 12. And the key chapter is 14. The author is Moses. The date is around 1440 BC to 1400. So it's 39 to 40 years. Survey. You can break it into three parts. The old generation, the tragic transition, and the new generation. Or you can also break it into 6 parts. Human rebellion, divine punishment, divine... Oh, did I pick the same thing twice? I'm sure it did. It's all been provision. See, that's why you gotta read your writing. So that's divine provision, divine punishment, Moses' laws, Moses' leadership, and God's covenant with Abraham. So let me... Okay. And then people. Moses, Aaron, Miriam, Eleazar, Balaam, Joshua, Caleb, Korah, the 12 tribes, of course God. God in there too. So when we look at the main focus of what a survey of it, so let's see, the first third, the old generation, is divided into the organization of Israel and the sanctification of Israel, and that was at Mount Sinai for 20 days, and that was about the order and the preparation. Then we go into the tragic transition. Again, this is when they went into the wilderness. Exodus, in the wilderness, into Moab. And again, this is about disorder and postponement. This is in the wilderness, and this is, I wrote my time backwards. I got 10 days, 3 months, 30 years. It's the same day, it's just written the other way around, but it's 30 years, 3 months, 10 days. The last third of the book is about the new generation, which is the reorganization of Israel, the regulations of offerings and vows, and the conquest and division of Israel. So again, it's about reordering and preparation. This is the plains of Moab, and this is about a 5-month period. So that is all the various stages. Alrighty, so what is today? Alright, so I am done. This picture will be on my Instagram, hzscribe. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to let God use you as His vessel. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.